In this video, I'm going to exactly show you how to create blogs from a single topic. We're going to use large language models like OpenAI in order to find the best ideas based on just one word topic that we have given. And then it also automatically creates all the blogs on that topic. So that is all done. This is how you can automate blog posting for any company and create blogs about anything. This is also what we use in our businesses in order to rank better with Google. And today I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So let's smash it here. So perfect. As always, I'm going to show you the output of how exactly everything looks like, and then we take it from there. So first of all, we've got obviously a manual trigger here. I'm just going to click on execute workflow, and we're going to see that this whole thing is working. And we're going to see if there is an idea. So right now I could tell you in the input field, I added Arsenal Football Club, which is my favorite football club, as an idea. And right now, this is the whole output. We've got LLM chain, which is executing everything. And we see this LLM chain also happening in blog creation. And then this blog is being saved in Google Sheet. We're going to look at the Google Sheet. And after that, we're going to go to every node on exactly how it works. So right now, as you can see, there's a lot of work happening. Let it all continue. This is going to be the idea, obviously, which is already saved, but it still keeps on working further. So let us see what's happening. Executing node for the following title, JSON and description. Perfect. So as you can see, this keeps on running, but right now, yeah, this keeps on running. Problem in node because there's already information there because, yeah. I'll just remove all of this information and we're going to run this again, execute workflow. And while we're doing this, I'm just going to show you exactly how this works just to save time. So first of all, you've got a manual trigger. Manual trigger means you could always set it up. Anything trigger is any action. Usually this happens automatically, but you can also set it up manually. So I could just click on manual trigger and that's how it starts. Secondly, I've got an input node. This is something that you could just set up as set. Edit field, you could just set different values, and here is actually the title about which I want to create. I chose Arsenal Football Club. Topic is the name, and then it's a string, and then I put anything. You could put whatever you want. I just put my football team in there. Then after that, we've got LLM. This is obviously where the magic is happening. This LLM is actually using OpenAI, so you could use it for any model out there. And this LLM chain generator, if you want more information, basic LLM chain node, this is exactly what it is. And it just creates 5 different content ideas related to the following topic. So you could see that this is JSON.topic, which is Arsenal Football Club. So it's creating 5 different ideas. And when we look at this, this is the output on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the ideas. It's going searching everywhere using GPT-4o model and then finding 5 ideas. And then we've got the next node, which is code. This is where we are just parsing information. We're just cleaning it. You could see that this is taking a JSON here, which you got because of this. Here you could set up how the output has to be of any input. And this is the one that we got at this step. And then we updated it a bit. As you can see on the right, we converted it into a tabular structure. And this is batch size. We took 1 and we just converted it inside the settings. We say loop. Okay, this is loop over item. This is the one where we are taking from this input first, which is going to be input first, and then it's taking a JSON output. So it is just taking the first one of that and it's just returning it. Let's see if this is the first one that it has returned. A comprehensive best player of the 21st century. Yeah, exactly. This is the first one that it has outputted after looping on it, and then it goes in there, and just based on this topic, it creates. There's a prompt. Again, we are at a basic LLM chain node, so it goes into the. This is where we are connecting OpenAI and we are running our prompts. So this is the prompt, provide me a blog post on the following topic. This is the title that we discussed, that we got already, and description. So title and description are the 2 things that we got in the previous one where we were setting it up. You could see it here that we are setting up JSON title, which we are getting obviously from here. We got the first element in the previous node and we got title, and we also got description here. So always think about n8n. We've got input here, we've got output here, and this is where all the settings are happening. This is the output that we got, and from that output we created a blog post, and that was with LLM using OpenAI model. JSON title, JSON description. This is what it does, and then it saves it inside a Google Sheet. So you could see set the input field, set the title and description. That's proper setter and getter that you're setting up, because you want to assign different variables values. And then you want to use these variables later on in some of these chains, as you could say. So that's what it is all about. And right now we're going to go into the sheet and see if there's any idea related to Arsenal, Football Club, and exactly. So we've got this whole topic which is written. This is SEO optimized. This is generated using LLM GPT-4o, as you could see. And this is a whole blog. I could just take this blog and save it anywhere, convert it into MD format, or save it on my website. So that was the goal. Yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if there's any question, just ask me in the comments. And if there is any other automation you want me to bring, because we build all the AI automations, AI agents here. We are masters at building any kind of AI agent. So if you want more support, just comment underneath and I'm gonna answer you. Perfect. See you tomorrow, because yeah, we're here every day making AI agents. Peace.